are going to love the 2009 Hyundai Veracruz. The Veracruz has both beauty and brains. This luxurious crossover seats 7 comfortably and received the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's highest 5-star front and side impact crash rating. Its 3.8-liter V6 engine, outputting 260 horsepower and 257 pound-feet of torque, promises power, and its smooth 6-speed automatic transmission offers a relaxing, comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, power windows, power door locks, leather, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, roof rack. Come see the car for yourself.